In today's problem, we are given a pointer to a node in the linked list which we are supposed to delete, but we are not given the pointer to the head of the linked list. So let us see how do we delete this node. Suppose this is the given linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are given a pointer to node 3, let's call it PTR. We are supposed to delete this node, and after deletion the list will look like this, 1 to 7 without 3. Now suppose I get a pointer, let's call it temp. It is pointing to 4, which is the node next to the given node. Now this node of a linked list has a structure which contains two values. One is data. So these are the values 1, 2, 3 which are present in the node, and the other one is a next pointer. So this next pointer, it points to the next node. What will happen if I write the value at PTR is equal to the value at PTR next? When we equate pointers like this, then the node value at PTR means the node that is pointed by PTR, and value at PTR next means the node that is pointed by PTR next. So this is talking about node 3 and this is talking about node 4. What happens when I equate it like this? This means that this node should get the value which is at this node, and also the next value of this node will become whatever the next value was for that node. So on doing like this, this list will look something like this. 1, 2. Now I have given this node a value of 4, and its pointer is what its next pointer is whatever the next pointer was for this node. So which was 5, 6 and 7. And the other pointer, the original 4th node, is still here. On writing value at PTR equals to value at PTR next, it becomes like this. And we had pointed the 4th node by temp. So we already have a pointer pointing to 4th node. So all I have to do now is delete the temp. So this portion will go away and we will get this list 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the code will be very simple. We were given the pointer PTR. I took the pointer next to it and called it temp. I equated the value at PTR with the value at PTR next. Then I delete the temp, and that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave your comments and feedback. Bye.